Hi everyone, it's Try3 Science. This is your assignment for Thursday, May 13th. It is the last one of the week. So at this point in the week, make sure that you've completed all the assignments listed here on the screen. You needed to do section 2.3 kinetic energy. That is the Google Notes doc. Section 2.4 on potential energy with the Google Notes doc. There was an Edpuzzle video for each one of those, so you should have watched those and completed the questions that are embedded in the Edpuzzle video. And then yesterday you were working on potential and kinetic energy station labs 1, 2, and 3, so the first 3. I actually just looked in there and a lot of you went ahead and did all 6 of them, so good for you guys. But if not, you have the rest of the day today until midnight tonight to finish up those station labs and submit that Google form for the final time. I have to say that since we've been doing the Edpuzzle videos this week, I've noticed that almost all of you are watching the videos, which I'm happy about, and the answers that you've been giving me on your assignments are much better. So I think that's working anyway. Alright, so we have the same objectives as we did yesterday. This video will probably be a little bit shorter just because you're going to continue doing exactly what you did yesterday, finishing the Google form for the stations lab, and then turn that in. The only new thing I'm going to tell you about is a reminder to do the end of the week quiz. So, yesterday you were to do watch it, research it, and read it. Today I want you to finish up, write it, assess it, and organize it, and then turn that Google form in for the final time. So really the biggest reminder I have for you is about clicking submit to save your work so that you can go back and edit it. So hopefully if you got started on this yesterday and you made some progress, but then you had to leave your form, you clicked the submit button. That's not a final submission. That's just a submit to save the work that you did yesterday. So now, today when you go back in, go to the same link to the same Google form on your Google Classroom, and it'll tell you that you've already responded. You want to click on this blue link that says edit your response right here, and it'll put you right back in. You can pick up where you left off yesterday and finish up the rest of your stations today. And then when you're all done by midnight tonight, you want to click the submit button for the final time. So once you're done with that, I would like you to go to the other Google form that's posted and take the end of the week quiz. So it is a Google form that has 10 questions. It is, just like last week, a wrap-up of the week's work. It's a way for you to gauge your learning, and it's a way for me to see what you've accomplished. It really gives me a good idea of what you're getting and what you're not getting, because typically I would know that with you sitting in front of me in the classroom. I could see the work that you're doing. I could be able to answer your questions when you have them, but we're really not able to do that in the same way. So this is a way for me to see what you're getting and what you're not getting, and maybe adjusting what we do next week and adjusting some of my videos so that I can explain some things to you that you're really not getting. So this week's quiz is information from the 2 CK12 sections that we've done this week on kinetic and potential energy, and then things that we've learned by completing the potential and kinetic energy station labs yesterday and today. So make sure you take that quiz. To do your station labs today, I'm not going to repost the same link. You'll have to go to Wednesday, go back to yesterday, and click on that link again. So I'm not going to repost that a second time. I'll just leave it on Wednesday's assignment. So to finish those station labs, make sure you go back to yesterday's assignment post and click on that Google form to finish up your station labs. And then today's post will have the end of the week quiz. So you guys have been doing a really good job of watching the videos for every assignment, and I think it's cut down on a lot of the questions that we've had as far as, I don't know how to do this, I don't know what this means, I don't know what you're talking about, because when it's explained in the video for you, I think you guys are really getting it. Make sure that you open your assignment, start working on your own, and then get help if you need it. While there is no live science class running right now, I do still have office hours from 10 to 12, 1 to 2, and 3 to 4 every day. So come and see me in office hours. And don't forget that you also have Mr. Scora and Miss Seidler that you can reach out to, and they have 4 hours of office hours every day that they're available to help you with any of the work that you have that you might be having trouble with as well. So make sure that all of your assignments for the week are turned in by 11:59 tonight, and don't procrastinate. All right, so this is the last assignment of the week. Do it! Get all of your points. It was nice to see some of you at our faculty lunch that we did yesterday. We're going to do that every Wednesday at 11:30. You go to Mr. Lyons' Google Meet link, and we'll all be sitting in there, and we'll just talk about random things and just get to catch up and see each other. So it was good to see some of you. And you know, you can do that in my office hours too. Pop in, say hi. You don't have to have a science question. You know, I have this neat little office here, and it's kind of like a classroom where I have all kinds of neat science stuff that I could, I could show you something cool. We could talk about it. You could ask me random questions. You could show me your pets. I'll show you my pets. We're lonely, so come in and see us in our rooms. We'd like to see you guys. All right. So thanks for watching. Hey, if it's the end of Thursday and you're finishing this up, you've made it through your week 2. If you finished all your assignments for the week, you've got Friday off, so it's a nice long weekend. So either I'll see you in my office hours, I'll talk to you over email, or I'll see you again on Monday. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time.